Everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 375 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1966 Corvette. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We have the one-piece rear main seal block, 4-bolt main block, double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, edelbrock Performer RPM aluminum heads, American made. We have the roller rocker arms in there, proper oil pan, the Corvette. We have the Taylor black ignition wires with the wire markers on there. It's real nice orange valve covers. Edelbrock intake manifold, painted orange with the oil filled tube and breather in there. The AVS2 Edelbrock carburetor on there. Proper thermostat housing for the 66 Corvette. Thermostats installed. Throttle return springs on there. Throttle cable bracket and ball. We have the HEI distributor with the tack drive in there. We have the 90-degree angle properly set. The adapter here so he can hook up his tack cable properly right on there. All the wire looms are on there. Edelbrock braided fuel line, Edelbrock gas filter all set up, ready to go. High flow fuel pump, all the fittings are in there. High torque mini starter in there. Chrome dipstick and tube. Proper water pump for the 66 Corvette. Balancers on there. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Complete. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll see a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, all in the video. You'll get photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So here you have it, our 350 Chevrolet 375 horse package in orange here. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.